Hello and welcome to my channel. I want to dedicate a video to discussing the cake decorating tools that I use in my videos, as I get a lot of questions and comments about those. The first piece I use is called an offset spatula. They're also called icing spatulas. They have a straight metal blade and there's a bend between the handle and the blade that allows you to spread the buttercream frosting without getting your fingers onto the cake. I have longer, larger ones for larger cakes and smaller, shorter ones for smaller cakes. I believe the sizes I have are 9 inches and 4 inches. These are very widely available and also usually quite reasonably priced. I'll put some links in the description for some of these. The next tool I use is called a tapered offset spatula or an angled spatula. I use these to level the top edge of my cakes by scraping the excess buttercream in toward the center, and this helps create a sharp, clean edge. You can definitely use a regular offset spatula for this, but I like these tapered ones because they're more narrow and offer more visibility to the edge of the cake. Let's talk about scrapers here next. You'll hear these called by a few different names: cake scraper, bench scraper, icing smoother. I have a few different styles. The one I use most frequently is this tall, I believe it's 12 inches, stainless steel one. I like that it's tall and I can use it on lots of different sizes of cakes. It's also nice and lightweight and has really nice sharp corners. This one is also a nice tall one. It's a little heavier in weight and it has a very comfortable handle. I also have a shorter one, very lightweight, but a nice comfortable handle. Also has nice sharp corners. I do prefer metal to plastic or acrylic because you can heat this up under hot running water and smooth your frosting a little more easily. Lastly, here is a closer look at the turntable I use to decorate my cakes. This model is the Ateco 612 and it's in my Amazon storefront if you're looking for one. It has a heavy cast iron bottom that keeps it from sliding around when you're decorating, and the top actually is removable for cleaning your storage. It turns very smoothly and has been very reliable for me. This mat I keep on it is actually a baking mat made to line cake pans, but it has such a nice non-slip quality. I use it on my turntable to keep my cakes from sliding around. So here's a look at my tools that I use most frequently. If you're looking to just get a simple set to start off with, I would recommend getting a plain and simple metal scraper, an offset spatula, really any size, and then a decent turntable so you're able to work on cakes easily. If you'd like to see these tools in action, I use them in lots of my videos, but I do have a video dedicated to how I get smooth, sharp sides on cakes that I'll link as well if you're interested. I'll add links to my description to this video here of where you can find these products and similar products, but please reach out if you have any questions or looking for recommendations. Thank you again very much for watching.